day. I'm Randy Guerra, Project Manager of Robros-East for East Bay Residences Project. As a project manager, I administer project construction at optimum cost and highly acceptable standard. Overall in charge of the project. I manage the attainment of the project indicator as per design specification and drawings. I ensure that the project is aligned to the object of the company and within the company policies and standard. I set direction in attaining full construction stability. And I scrutinize the project expenses and initiate control measures to meet optimum project operation cost. Again, I'm Randy Guerra, Project Manager of Robros-East for East Bay Residences.
Good day! I'm Leo Monteclaro, Project in Charge, East Bay Project. My responsibility is to supervise the day-to-day project activity in the project for all electrical installation and other related works belongs to our contract. I am in charge for the distribution of scope of works to project engineer and manpower assignment for leadman, foreman, and electrician to its scope. I am in charge for the monitoring of tools and equipment, materials, and manpower to the project capacity and requirement. Assist project manager in setting direction for construction schedule and project stability. I am the immediate technical resource person for the method in terms of installation process and procedure. My duties is to keep the operation electrical installation should meet high quality standard in cost-wise manner and for the client satisfaction. Again, I'm Leo Monteclaro, East Bay Project.
Good day, I'm Marites Catayo, QA/QC Engineer of Robros from East Bay Residences Fordham Tower. As a QA/QC Engineer, my duties and responsibilities is to prepare all materials submitted for approval to ensure that all materials are approved prior to work implementation. Number 2 is checking all and verify all delivery materials are complied with the specification, and prepare inspection request form and close all non-compliance performance, and then a report from my engineers and project manager all damages that I see on site. And also as a QA/QC engineer, my goal is zero pansies. Again, I'm Marites Catayo, QA/QC of Robros.
I'm Jojo M. Reyes. I'm QA/QC engineer from Robros, East Bay Residence, Fordham Tower. As a testing and commissioning engineers, we ensure that the final outcomes of our works are delivered safe and great. My duties and responsibility, we are responsible for closeout and turnover of all electrical and auxiliary works through testing and commissioning inspection. We prepare the inspection of construction electrical works for slabbing, wrapping-ins, works up to wiring and TCX inspection that comes with the test pack that serves as a document of our monitoring. Again, I'm Jojo M. Reyes.
Good day, I'm Luis Ambalod, Operation Engineer. As Operation Engineer, I prepare look-ahead, schedule, or activity sheets as per original project schedule. Discuss and distribute the proof of construction plans and target schedule to assign foreman or supervisor the implementation of works. Initial inspection of the work accomplished prior to turnover or acceptance. Prepare and submit weekly accomplishment to report to PIC or PM. Again, I'm Luis Ambalod, Operation Engineer.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Elis Cupertan-Masan, Quantity Surveyor of Robros Incorporated, Fordham Tower, East Bay Project. And I am the overall in charge of cost and quality labor and materials involved in this project. I also review plans per system based on tender documents versus approved plans. I prepare and coordinate with the project manager, project in charge, and even the site engineers for request for site instruction for any variation and change order works. I also provide a formal report of any discrepancies found and submit to the project manager. I estimate quantity of materials to be used as per approved construction plans. And I also prepare progress billing and responsible for the reconciliation with the clients. Again, I'm Elis Salmasan, QS Engineer of Robros. Thank you.
Good day. I am Mr. Joseph Noel Pandillo. I was assigned as a safety in charge here in Fordham Tower East Bay project. My scope of work every day is in the, first thing in the morning. I was conduct our daily morning toolbox meeting together with our operation and monitoring of work from 8 a.m. until overtime, grooming and inspection and assurance of our workers on site, safety and attending weekly coordination meeting with our client and other contractors. And our main goal is to prevent zero accident on site. And I'm Mr. Joseph Noel Pandillo, Safety Officer in charge of Robber Safety.
Good day. I'm Mr. Isaiah Spaho, Electrical Supervisor of Robros Fordham Tower 1. My general description of work as per duties to supervise the direct implementation of project from the project in charge and the project manager. My responsibilities is to lead and manage, to train the mentor direct workers, to prioritize the delegate responsibilities, to ensure the efficient and accurate and on-time project completion. My duties as per scope of works and scheduling are the setting up markings, exterior and in column, shear wall, vertical. Direct supervision of project which implemented as per assigned system. I include the lighting and the power system, as long as the power system in core. This unit's power supply, distribution as grounding system, and also the auxiliary system, the FDAS, the fire detection alarm system, the security, the paging, intercom, and also the cockpit and the telephone. I also supervise in regards to train these direct workers for their capability to ensure that this all plan approved was to make all given tasks to finish this project. I am Mr. Isaiah Spaho, Electrical Supervisor of Robros.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ako nga pala si Jaime Vargas Jr. Pag binigyan ako ng plano ng aking engineer, re-reviewin ko, and then mag-distribution ako ng mga tao kung saan ko i-area ilalagay mula group deck hanggang basement 2. Then gagawin ko ng permit, tapos lalong materials or tools nila, tutuloy ko rin para pagdating nila sa site, kumpleto na yung magamit nila. Then para mumonto nito yung trabaho nila sa 8 oras kung may natapos o wala, para meron tayong accomplishment report. And then, pagtaas ng accomplishment report, Mag-report ako sa mga engineering ko kung tapos o ano. Dahil na yung trabaho natin, di ba?
Opo, si Victor Saligumba. Bilang isang electrician po, ginagawa ko po ang mga tungkulin na pag-layout sa slabbing. Naging gabay din po ako ng mga kasamahan ko sa trabaho na nag-lead para sila ay may gabay ko sa gawain namin araw-araw. Tsaka bilang matagal na ako sa trabaho ko ito at gawain ito bilang electrician, trabaho ko rin na gabayan ng aking mga kasama para umayos yung kanilang gawa at quality. Ako po si Victor Saligumba bilang electrician.
Pala si Christian Embores, isang electrician 1. Bilang electrician 1, ako ay sumusunod sa mga utos ng mga nakakataas sa akin tulad ng leadman, foreman at higit sa lahat sa aking mga engineer. Ang responsibilidad ko ay tapusin ng maayos ang mga pinapagawa sa akin, pagkatapos ay nililinisan ko ang area namin para walang maiwan na bakas ng dumi. Sinisiguro ko ng maayos ang kalidad ng aking trabaho. Ako nga pala si Christian Embores bilang isang electrician 1.